Hi. So yeah, finally I got my own unboxing of this one of my kit from Dreamer Designs in with this panda. My husband loved panda, so he didn't know I'll be finishing this, making this one for him, especially for him, because he likes movie pandas 1, 2, 3, 4, and I don't know. So yeah, inside the box you got 2 of these drill pins with multi-placers. No, this, oops, oh, where do you go? I don't know, but yeah, 2 pins, 1 twister. You can see what you call this, sponges. Oh, there you are. Oh no, not that. Yeah, a pretty trace. I like this, like a velvet. Oh, there's another one inside. I feel it. What is it? Oh, another one. 3 ends pusher. What do you call this? Aligner. Yeah. Aligner. This one 3, 4, 5, I don't know, placer, multi-placers. Yeah, I like this one, velvet thing. You can put your jewelry, watches, whatever you want to. Look at it, pretty. And yeah, it comes with 2 of this round Dreamer Designs logo wax. Get some plastic, what do you call this, C-blocks. Got this Xylophone, you can boop, you see the toy, blah 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 this, and I like this one too. Get a, you can keep your all this stuff here inside and use it for other things you like. Yes, like I don't know what type of cloth or whatever this one, and yeah, there you go. Oops, that's my husband's panda. I'll be doing this soon. It's from license from Sandra, Trubin, Panda Snacks. There you go, the size and blah 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 blah. There, I got my. Oop, what is this? Wait. Yeah, blah blah blah. Do there you go again. Blah 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 blah. Ooh, shiny. Let's try opening this one and see. See. There you go. Come out. Yep. Shiny. Looks pretty. It's shiny. Ooh, there you go. Go. Where's the blue? I see the blue. Oh, there, my favorite. Blue. Life is blue. So thank you for spending time watching and listening. Blah 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 blah. Hey.